Okay, so tarts are sold in boxes of 4 tarts or in boxes of 12 tarts. Each box of 4 tarts are sold at $10.90, but the box of 12 tarts sold at $32. Melissa had $250. How many tarts can she buy at most? Wow, she really likes a lot of tarts. Okay, so for this question, right, if she has $250 and she want to buy the most tarts, right, we need to figure out which box makes more sense. Which tart, right, costs the least in each box. Let's talk about the box of 4. If it's a box of 4, right, let's talk about the cost of each tart. We take $10.90 divided by 4 first. $10.90 divided by 4, okay, with $10.90 divided by 4, blah blah blah, that will be around $2.75, I don't know what, 72.5 cents. Okay, so each tart is this much. Let's talk about the box of 12. If it's box of 12 is 32, right, we take $32 divided by 12. So $32 divided by 12, that will give me $2.6667, okay, dollars per tart. So clearly this is the cheaper one, right, if you buy in a box of 12. You cannot just assume, do not just assume that well, box of 4 is this, then box of 12 is this, then I think this one is cheaper. Do not just assume. Please go and check it out, just in case they try to throw you, and then they try to trick you. Okay, so now we have to go and buy all the 12 the boxes of 12 first at $32. Let's see, with $250, right, how many boxes of 12 can she buy? You take $250 divided by $32. 250 divided by 32, okay, wait, that will give me 7.8125. Okay, so we can ignore the 8125, which means that she can buy 7 boxes. Okay, so 7 boxes. Let's find out, after she buys the 7 boxes of 12 tarts, how much money have we left? So you take $250 minus 7 times 32. Okay, so that's $250 minus 7 times 32. Okay, let's 7 times 32, that will give us 224. Okay, and then she'll be left with $26. So the amount left, $26, she cannot buy one more box of 12, right, because each box of 12 costs $32. So she can only use this one to go and buy this one. So you think about it, $26, how many boxes can she buy? Okay, the most she can buy is 2 boxes, right? Okay, so it'll be 2 boxes of 4. So 2 boxes of 4 is what? So 2 boxes of 4, okay, because you want to find out, because the question is asking for how many tarts can she buy, right, at most. So it's 2 boxes of 4 plus 7 boxes of 12. 7 boxes of 12. Okay, 2 times 4 will give me 8. Then 7 times 12 will be 84. So 8 plus 84, that will be equal to 92. So in total, she bought 92 tarts. Very simple. So questions like this, right, especially this kind of so in boxes of 4, then boxes of 12, then how many can she buy at most? Students typically look at this question, right, and then they start panicking. Okay, don't be so frantic. Relax first. Relax. Okay, try to find out as much as you can. Even if you do not know how to find the final answer, right, you just do as many working as you can to find out all the micro details. All these are what we call micro details, because it's not the final answer, ma. So these are the small part. Because if eventually you still cannot get the final answer, at least you still get the method. You still get the method mark, right? Okay. So remember, questions like this, relax. Don't be so kanchong. Okay, find out all the micro details first. Your micro details will lead you to the final answer. Alright, done.